Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Let me give you a very little tour of our little room here in Dubai Marine Beach Resort and Spa as our favorite place to stay. Welcome! Thank you, Arch. It's a little messy at the moment because this is all we have to carry back home. And that's not it. There's a lot more in the storage room. So this is our little living room, right? And where is your play area? We actually want to put a face hugger outside here on the balcony and basically call the reception and say we have just seen a strange insect out there. That would be a very nice prank, but I don't know how the management will take it. Worth a try. We will try it later, not now. So, where is your play area?
Under the stairs there.
Alright,
Right here.
that's a play area under the stairs,
Right
messy.
here.
And Hadi is up there.
Come
Now,
on, let's see upstairs.
let's go upstairs. Hey, check out me! I am in my Cinderella suit. Cinderella dress, that's what I call.
This is mommy there, staying there. This is our bedroom.
This is our bedroom with mommy busy with the phone, so she's a phone zombie now.
And this is our balcony.
This is our little balcony.
And
This is
clothes
our
place.
closet and
here's our bathroom.
And here is our bathroom. So, that is all for the tour of Dubai Marine Beach Resort and Spa. Not beach, beach, okay? That is all for the tour, little tour of Dubai Marine Beach Resort and Spa Executive Suite. This is basically our favorite place to stay. And
you know
love it.
Is inside here?
Yeah, he took it from the door, from our apartment. We have a vacated apartment left. I have a lot of batteries to carry. It's a very important batteries that I want to carry. But anyway, as I miss flying RC, I do have something to review today. And that is right here with me. The FQ777's Yelenchuri. What is Yelenchuri? Wearable Intelligent Remote Controller Wi-Fi Transmission number FQ19 Flying Pterosaur with 720p Wi-Fi HD camera. Can you open the box?
Yes, sir.
Hey, reviewer doesn't even know how to open the box and where to open the box. It is here always. So check it out, our little pterosaur right here. Okay, and the wearable remote controller.
Look at this dinosaur. Look at his head.
Yes, so batteries are actually charged. Let me get out of my Cinderella dress and then we will fly it right away and make a little video review of FQ, what is that? Yelenchuri. We'll make a review of Yelenchuri. Enjoy.
Stays here. Ouch.